In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resell AirPods on Facebook Marketplace and avoid listing removal. The first and most important thing is to make sure the AirPods you're selling are genuine. Only list authentic Apple products. Do not try to sell replicas, fake versions, or anything described as counterfeit. Facebook Marketplace can remove those listings, and repeated violations may even limit your access to the platform. If your goal is to keep your listing live, authenticity comes first. Next, verify the AirPods before you create the listing. Connect them to an iPhone or iPad, then go into Settings, open Bluetooth, and tap the information icon next to the AirPods. From there, check the model details and serial information. Apple also notes that the serial number may appear on the charging case and on the original packaging, so compare those details carefully. After that, gather proof of authenticity. If you still have the original receipt or invoice, keep it available. It also helps to take clear photos of the AirPods, the charging case, the packaging, and any serial information that supports the listing. Just be careful not to reveal unnecessary personal details from receipts or documents when preparing your images. Before posting, check the condition honestly. Decide whether the item is brand new, like new, used, or refurbished. Be upfront about scratches, battery health, missing accessories, or any defects. Clear and honest condition details help buyers trust the listing and reduce the chance of problems later. Now take your own product photos. Use clear, original images of the exact AirPods you are selling. Show the front, back, charging case, accessories, and packaging. Avoid using promotional images in place of real item photos, because your listing should accurately show what the buyer will receive. When writing the title, keep it accurate and specific. Include the real model and the condition. For example, you could write something like Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, genuine, used, complete set. That kind of title is simple, clear, and informative. Then write a detailed description. Include the exact model, the condition, what accessories are included, purchase or source information when relevant, any known issues, and the price. Make sure the description matches the item exactly. Set a realistic price by comparing similar genuine AirPods listings. Avoid pricing that looks suspiciously low, since unrealistic pricing can raise red flags. Choose the correct electronics category, then review everything before publishing. Double check the title, photos, description, price, condition, and location. Once everything looks accurate, publish the listing and wait for Facebook's review. If your listing gets removed, open the notice, review the reason, and use the appeal option if you believe it was removed by mistake. Most importantly, do not try to bypass the removal with misleading titles, reposting, or disguising prohibited items. Fix the actual issue instead.